Hi YouTube, this is our little tractor collection here. That's the bones we just picked up this morning. And it doesn't run. It's a wild run. It used to run. It's a V-twin. There it is there. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with the carburetor or anything. We already checked all that. This is an Agway we picked up for free. Our little parts tractor. Now if we need anything like the carburetor, exhaust, anything, take it off here. Wheels. Picked up for nothing. Picked the bones up there for $50. This is my tractor. Now you've seen it on Wade 3767's channel. Go subscribe to him. Go like his videos. Go watch his videos. And this is Wade 3767's tractor, aka Jacob. It runs. Nothing wrong with this. There'll be another video coming of I think it's a Sears tractor. I'm not too sure about that. MTD, I don't know. Of that later. Okay. See you later, YouTube.